What is bioavailability? When we eat, our food and drink enters our digestive system. As it's broken down and processed, the food's individual nutrients are absorbed and enter our bloodstream. When we talk about bioavailability, we are talking about getting what you need to exactly where you need it to be in the body. Bioavailability at a cellular level depends on the balance between a cell's absorption and secretion of a nutrient. By increasing absorption and/or decreasing secretion at a cellular level, we can increase bioavailability and subsequently the amount of nutrients available for our bodies to use. But when it comes to food and specific nutrients, getting them into the bloodstream is the first step. Most of us have heard about the three major classes of foods: carbohydrates, fats and proteins. These are referred to as macronutrients, as they are generally absorbed very efficiently. However, there are also substances we need in smaller amounts, and they are called micronutrients. Vitamins and minerals are micronutrients, and some of these, such as vitamin D, magnesium and polyphenols, can be less easy to absorb. These micronutrients play hundreds of essential roles within the body, without which life is impossible. This is why it's important to include them in your diet. Including them in your diet is just one important step. You also have to ensure they're properly absorbed. Some micronutrients are difficult to absorb. Spinach and other green plants contain lots of iron, but it's very hard for our bodies to access. As we age, absorption in the gut becomes less efficient. On top of this, absorption of nutrients can also be reduced by medicines, which can reduce stomach acid or interfere with the digestion or absorption processes. So, how can you increase the amount of nutrients you put into your body? A healthy, balanced diet that contains the right amount of nutrients is the first step. You can't absorb what isn't there. A healthy gut full of friendly bacteria will also support good absorption of nutrients. The most easily absorbed nutrients are water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C, which pass easily from the gut into the bloodstream. Some vitamins, such as vitamin A, D, E and K, are fat-soluble. This means they mix better with fat, so the best way to increase absorption of these is to ingest them with a meal, which will typically contain a significant amount of fat or oil. Other substances, like curcumin, found in turmeric, are fat-soluble too, meaning they are also more easily absorbed when taken with a fat-containing meal. Supplements are a good way to get some of the nutrients that you might not be getting from your diet, for example if you're vegan or vegetarian. The amount of nutrients you can take from a supplement is affected by both the amount you take and by absorption or bioavailability. What can affect the bioavailability of supplements? The ingredients formulation. A nutrient can be combined with other ingredients that can improve absorption, such as lecithin or black pepper. The form in which the ingredient comes, for instance, citrate or lactate minerals, are absorbed better than oxide forms. Your body's immediate need. Whether your body needs that particular nutrient at the time can affect absorption. Your gastrointestinal health. If you have poor gut health, this can affect how you absorb nutrients. Interactions with other substances, such as some medicines, can impact a supplement's bioavailability. All of these factors are important to bear in mind when taking supplements. Let's take curcumin, the active ingredient found in turmeric. As we have mentioned, it's not easily absorbed by the body. Imagine taking a teaspoon of turmeric powder, that's about 5 grams or 5,000 milligrams. Of that, around 2% is curcumin, so roughly 100 milligrams. But as it has poor bioavailability and is quickly destroyed by stomach acid, only a small amount will enter the body. Then, let's consider supplement A. It's a tablet and contains 5 times as much, or 500 milligrams, of pure curcumin. But curcumin still has a low bioavailability, and 5 times more might make it into the body. Supplement B contains only 100 milligrams of curcumin, just 1/5 of supplement A, and the same amount as that whole teaspoon. But because it's formulated into a bioavailable form, much more of the curcumin will be absorbed by the gut and enter into the body, where it can be transported to the places that need it. All of these factors are important to bear in mind when taking supplements. This is why some people will take vitamins and supplements and experience amazing results, while others will feel very little benefit at all.